Here's how to set up the Google TV Streamer as your smart home hub. The Google TV Streamer seems like a reinforced Chromecast, but it greatly functions as a smart hub and an essential product for your house to streamline several tasks. Because of Google Home integration, Alphabet-owned Google's latest streaming device isn't only limited to streaming the latest Netflix and Disney Plus shows with Thread and Matter integration, but includes other nifty tricks. If you've already got this innovative product and are struggling to set it up, then there's nothing to worry, as GadInsider has got your issue resolved. Here's a step-by-step guide to easily set up a Google TV streamer and simplify your tasks. Here's what you require: a Google account, a Google Home app for iOS or Android, a reliable internet connection. Firstly, connect your phone with the Wi-Fi and turn on the Google TV streamer. Launch the Google Home app and click on Devices at the middle of your screen. Click on the Add button in the lower right corner of your screen. Afterwards, select the Google Nest or partner device. Click on the current home and select Add another home and go to Next. Tap Chromecast or Google TV from the given list. Now go to Next. Tap the Google TV streamer from the given list. Now a verification code will appear on the screen. Verify it and click on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Now users would be able to activate several features, including voice match photo frame and more in their Google TV streamer.